Excuse me. So I'm opening my mail, and this is from one of my favorite mailing companies. It is Club Cash Fund. And I'm opening it, and boom! That's what I like to see. We've got 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Short video for y'all. I just checked the mail. I got cash from Club Cash Fund. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this a little closer. I wanted to put a sticky on there so that you couldn't see my address. All right. It hasn't been opened yet. Kind of looks like it was, but honestly it wasn't. So that's kind of just how it comes. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it up. I've been a part of this company about 2 weeks now. It's definitely paying out. Having a good time with it. All right, here we are. We want to spread the word. Let everybody know it is legit. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. 120, 40, 60, 80.
Cash in the mail. 2, 4, 6, 8.
This one I got in the mail yesterday, I believe. Right here. So this one, as you can see,
proof and show you my name right there, cover my address so y'all don't see it. And then Brian will show you his. Same thing, we're gonna open them. You can see as it's not open yet, nothing, can't get into it yet. So we're gonna open it right now in front of y'all and show y'all. Cash in the mail.
Okay, we met up in Orlando to hang out with the team, so we figured we'd bring this down and give you guys a little show of how it works, and it actually does work.
Look at there. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 80 for me.
And 120 for me.
You get this in the mail. You see my name up there and everything. You got Brian's name, came down here and decided to bring our proof with us.
Received some mail today from Club Cash Fund, and I'm gonna open it up and see what it has for me. Today is Friday, the 14th of June 2019, and take a look and see what Club Cash Fund has done this week. So, Club Cash Fund, and it's happening.
See, this comes out every Friday, and today is Wednesday. I'm glad it got here quick. Normally it gets here Thursday or Friday, but it looked like the mail on the weekend is picking up. Hello, somebody. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Won't he do it? Won't he do it, somebody? Hello, somebody. You sitting there wondering if this works when you've been listening to me since the month of May. A Big Head 100 and 3 Jacksons. Hello, somebody. Do you believe yet?
my first blessing from CCF, and as you can tell, it's from Tallahassee, and I'm nervous about this, but that's okay. It's worth it, and I'll fix and open it, and here I go. Okay, here's the envelope, and here's the Snoopy, and see what's inside here. Let's see. Woohoo! $100! Woohoo!
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
in the money! Woo-hoo.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, everybody, join this. It really